Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. And if you're joining us for the first time, you're welcome. Please subscribe to this channel so you don't miss out on any of my delicious recipes. You can as well turn on the notification bell so you get notified on any recipes that I get to upload. So right now I'm going to be taking you on the step-by-step process on how I was able to achieve this buttercream. So you want to make sure you're watching through to the end so you don't miss out on any step at all. You can as well ask me any question on the comment section and I'll be there to answer your question. So what I'm doing right now is to crumb coat my cake, and what this does is it gets to trap all the crumbs in the cake, therefore leaving you with a smooth and clean finish. You want to make sure you're taking this step very seriously. So I'll just be leaving you to watch through on how I was able to get this. So what I would do here is to use my scraper to scrape off the excess icing all over the cake. This took about 30 to 35 minutes to cover this cake, so it takes time. You want to be patient with it. To get that smooth finish, you have to scrape, fill in all those holes. If you look in the cake, you'll see some holes. Fill in the holes, scrape, fill in the holes, and that's how you'll be able to get a smooth finish. I wasn't so conscious or so much into getting a very smooth cake because I was going to be using my comb. So if you know the design you're going in for should be smooth, you won't take your time to do that. So you're going to see that using this comb, as I gently brush through my cake, it has a way of covering all those holes. Yeah, can you see that? So I'm just going to do that. As you comb, make sure you're wiping off the excess buttercream off your comb so the blue doesn't messes up the white. So you want to be very careful. And then again, guys, if you haven't subscribed to this channel, please subscribe. Don't hesitate, just pause the video, subscribe, and don't forget to give me a like so I get to know that you're actually enjoying what I'm teaching you. Okay, all right, so right now I'm just going to be applying some of this luster dust. It's just to give it that extra shine, nothing much. And then the next thing is to have some of those strokes on my cake. And what I did, how I was able to achieve this, was using a gold luster dust with edible spirit, and then I had to give that a stroke all over my cake. I had my strokes very light, and that was because I feel that the blue is already concentrated. So having so many gold strokes all over the cake will be too busy for me. I'll be leaving a link on the description box below to a more detailed video on how to make and to cover a cake from scratch with buttercream, and you want to make sure you're checking that out if you're a beginner. So guys, if you haven't subscribed yet to my channel, just pause and click the subscribe button, and don't forget to give me a thumbs up. It encourages me to know that you love what I actually share with you. Don't forget to turn on the notification bell so you get notified when next I make a video, because I have lots of amazing tutorials for you guys. Thanks for watching. Bye.